Welcome to CAVARTS, the Challenge America Veteran Arts Community. We are so excited that you're here with us to share your work and see the amazing talents of other veterans. I'm one of your hosts, Lily Corsand. CAVARTS is a program of Challenge America, a national veteran nonprofit that leverages technology and the creative arts to improve the lives of veterans and their families. We want to bring veterans together to create a unique community where they can connect with one another, learn new techniques to take their art to the next level, and grow from their past traumas and experiences, all through the arts. CAVARTS is free to join and open to all veterans and active duty service members interested in the creative arts. Other than other amazing veteran artists, you're also joined in the community with your hosts, Program Director Maggie Tolan, Executive Director Dallas Blaney, and myself, your Program Coordinator and CAVARTS Extraordinaire Lily. So without further ado, let's take a stroll through the community and see all of the great spaces and programs CAVARTS has to offer. This is the homepage that you see when you first log into the community. Here you can see all of the most recent posts, including articles and questions. To get a sense of what other members are up to and get the latest news and scoop, simply scroll through the homepage at any time. You might come across posts made by fellow veterans that you really like. To let them know you like their work or your general thoughts and questions, you can either cheer their work by clicking the little heart sign, or even leave them a nice comment to read. For example, I really liked Robert's work, so I wanted to know what kind of medium he used and how he got the colors to be so nice and bright. Before we move on, let's quickly review how to make a post in the community. This is very easy. At the top of the feed in your homepage, you should always see a bar that says share what's on your mind. As you can see in the video, if you click on that bar, you should be able to share your thoughts, pictures, and more. Another option is to click on the little plus sign on the top right side of the bar. That will also allow you to share various things like posts, pictures, and questions. Look for that little plus sign in various places in the community so you can share different things. Next, let's take a brief tour of the navigation menu. This is the layout when you are on your computer, but there's also a phone app version with all of the same features. On your computer, you should always see the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. First item we will look at is Discovery. Discovery allows you to zoom out to see all of the main features that make our community unique and amazing. This includes our welcome posts, featured posts, as well as other community features like topics, creation station, art rooms, events, and you can also see the members that are in your same cities that you can connect with. When you go to Discovery, start with the welcome section. Let's take a closer look. Here you can find important information that will orient you to the community and learn very important skills, like modifying your notification settings and setting up your community profile. Feel free to pause the video to go through these now. Now, let's dive deeper into each of the other sections in the navigation menu. Next up is the Members section. This is where you can search for other members by location or date of membership, review member profiles, and reach out to say hello. As you can see, I found Dallas easily by using the search bar, and I'm saying hello to him. Now, let's check out specialties. This is where members are categorized by their main art specialty or interest. By visiting the specialties page, you can connect with other members who share your interest or specialty. Next up are art rooms. These are spaces that are focused on specific genres of art. You can join each art room separately to partake in conversations that are more or less centered around one major group of art forms. For example, in music, you'll find a lot of musicians and posts about various music topics. Feel free to pause the video, go check out our art rooms now, and maybe you'll join one that interests you. Let's explore one of the art rooms in a bit more detail. Let's get into visual arts for the heart. As you can see, it has most of the features you can find in the homepage, but all of these features are specific to this room, making it easier to find the information that aligns with your specific interest. We, as your hosts, also put interesting videos, information, and questions in the rooms as well. After entering any of the rooms, just click Back to Network on the top left-hand corner to get back into the main community. Now let's look at topics. The topics offer another way to explore specific interests and group your posts into relevant categories. Each topic is dedicated to a general theme. Every time you make a new post, you can also tag it with that relevant topic as well. Alright, let's move on to the next item on the list, events. The events page is our collection of various art events including exhibits, classes, workshops, concerts, and more. You can easily search for upcoming or nearby programs by also sorting through the events. Some of the featured events are those offered by our very own members or organizations we have partnered up with. For example, the writing workshop with the Writers Garret. Lastly, by clicking the calendar icon on the events page, you can always get a calendar view of all the various events we are hosting within the community. The last place we are going to check out is the Creation Station. This is our learning hub. We offer various art-related courses, programs, and resources for our members, such as our CAVARTS resource library. Let's take a closer look at the resource library. This is an interactive, growing database of resources where members can find information about their VA benefits and services, as well as art programs in various disciplines. For example, in the music section, you can see the many resources available, including instruments for veterans, songwriting retreats, and even event performance tickets. I hope this tour of the vibrant CAVARTS community has helped to give you a better idea of all it has to offer and how to find your way around. Please feel free to reach out to us with any and all questions you have, or even to just say hello. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and start exploring, and we're going to see you in there.